Hello. Today I have a single question for you. What is it that you look at when you're actually trying to hire a new software engineer? What's the first thing that you look at? Don't be shy. Everyone in the industry does that. The first thing you look at is their GitHub profile. Isn't that correct? Right? It's a secret to no one in the industry, but GitHub profiles have become the de facto resumes of developers and software engineers. There's a lot of problems with that, and I'm not going to get into that today. Could be the topic of a next video. But it's a fact, right? Everyone is aware of that, and the developers themselves know that really well, which is why they're also very keen to be able to continue working on open source once they join a new company, because they know very well that in a couple of years, when they'll be looking for their next opportunity, having a good GitHub profile, having contributed to open source software, is going to be key to land the next job and to continue their career in software engineering. And yet, when you look at the profiles of companies on GitHub, you can't imagine that this is so important because they're mostly terrible. I mean, I'm sure if you go look at the profile of your own company right now, you're probably going to be extremely surprised. There's usually like no structure, nothing. It is extremely rare for companies to even have a dedicated web page about their open source activity and what they contribute to. Even if the company actually does something in that field and is active and contributing to different projects and maybe even releasing their own. So here's the thing. Developers need to be able to continue to work on open source so that they stay relevant and can land their next job after yours. So if you are actually doing something about it yourself and making it easy for them to contribute as part of their job, talk about it, show it, so that when a candidate is assessing you using the same tools as you are assessing them, they actually can find out that you are friendly to open source really easily. Now, if you're not doing open source as part of your work at your company, if developers are not allowed to contribute at all, well, do think about the consequences that has for your ability to attract the kind of talent that you would want to attract in your company. Frankly, do something about it. That's all for today, folks. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.